What is the most valuable currency in today's world? Is it the good old dollar? Is it euro? Or Her Majesty's quid? Could it be gold? Or Bitcoin? Or is it something we all lack, regardless of our financial status? Time. It seems that bankers just don't get this simple fact. Luckily, hamsters do. That is why Oscar, as the CEO of Addiko Bank, did everything in his power to shorten banking procedures so that Addiko customers have more free time for themselves. Time for their hobbies.
Nemam vremena!
Time for a good movie.
Nemam vremena!
Or time for a delicious lunch.
Tu je flambirani začinjeni škamp ala...
Nemam vremena!
Ala kardinalu je.
Because if life is a race, Addiko wants to give customers the advantage to win. Finally, a bank which not only says time is money, but acts on it. And it seems that people were able to connect with that message easily, because they have felt on their own skin how Addiko saves them what they need most, their precious time in their pockets.